It is a well-known fact that getting an internal combustion engine to run on hydrogen is not difficult, but the difficulty is getting an internal combustion engine to run well on hydrogen. After years of work, researchers at IIT Delhi have developed hydrogen-operated three-wheelers for passenger and cargo versions. The technology has already been commercialized with automaker Mahindra with a fleet of 15 hydrogen-powered rickshaws with a refueling station produced for vehicles that would carry and use hydrogen, a carbon-free fuel, thereby reducing pollution.
Hydrogen as a fuel has got the potential of being produced from a lot of renewable sources, and upon combustion it doesn't give any noxious pollutants. So this particular system is capable of producing a vehicle which can be used on road, will give you higher thermal efficiency, lower fuel consumption, and will be close to a zero emission vehicle.
Engine control systems, fuel induction and ignition system were identified, and the corresponding system hardware was developed to carry out exhaustive tests. Electronic control unit based timed manifold fuel induction system was developed to supply the required amount of fuel to engines according to the load and speed condition.
Three-wheelers are a common transport system in this country and many parts of the world. So already CNG operated three-wheelers have been introduced in the transport sector. So it is a graduation from CNG to hydrogen, and there will be practically no emission. And once the technology of economic production of hydrogen evolves, that will be the ideal thing.
Obnoxious pollutants such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, unburnt hydrocarbons, oxides of sulfur, particulates are intrinsically absent in the exhaust of the vehicle. Mononitrogen oxide, the only pollutant of concern in hydrogen fuel vehicle, has been drastically reduced, and a limited field trials show a very important result, that the hydrogen fuel three-wheelers are giving around 90 kilometers of mileage per kg of hydrogen consumption. These hydrogen-based three-wheelers are among the top 50 innovations selected by FICCI DST Lockheed Martin's India Innovation Growth Program.
FICCI and DST Lockheed Martin have been a very strong source of inspiration. They had provided us the opportunity to demonstrate this system in recently held Indo-African Science and Technology Ministers in Vigyan Bhavan, and this has sent a very forceful signal in favor of hydrogen being adopted as a common man's transport system in developing countries.